Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today for the holiday series I'm making a favorite that Mike's mom always made, and that is Swedish butter cookies. There's only 4 ingredients, it's pretty simple, and they just melt in your mouth, so delicious. So I've been craving them this holiday season. Sadly Mike's mom doesn't bake anymore, so if I want them I gotta make them. So Swedish butter cookies, let's get to it. Butter, flour, sugar, vanilla, and sprinkles. First we're going to add our butter and get that creamed. Then we're going to add our sugar and our vanilla and continue to cream well. And then I'm slowly going to add the flour. The dough is ready, so now we're going to form it into a log to chill, so then we can slice them. I have my roll here formed, and then we're going to roll it in the sugar, get that coated up, and then we will stick it in the fridge to cool for about 2 hours before we actually go and slice these and bake these. Make sure we get all over, and we can put it in to chill. You can see the log is chilled, and we're going to cut it into slices. And they'll go in the oven at 350 for around 12 minutes. I like them soft, so just a hint of color on the bottom. They're done. I only have half of one to try, because my other half already snagged a half. So here they are. Oh my god, they're good. So light and buttery and yummy, and I need a glass of milk. Swedish butter cookies. It wouldn't be Christmas without them. This is actually from Mike's Aunt Anne, was originally her recipe. So give them a shot. You won't be sorry. Swedish butter cookies.